I love a good salad, but what I love more is a good salad dressing. With so many extras that we don't need in the bottled version, I'll show you this roasted garlic vinaigrette that Mr. Kringle called, and I quote, stupid good. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. In a large bowl, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter cup of white wine or rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, and 2 small heads of roasted garlic. See the description box below for my roasted garlic tutorial. Add fresh ground black pepper, about a quarter teaspoon. And I used a quarter teaspoon of red Hawaiian sea salt. Using a whisk, break up the roasted garlic and then give it a good whirl to incorporate all of the ingredients. As you can see, it doesn't take long at all for it to come together. Then put it in an airtight container in the fridge for 7 to 10 days. And just like you and I, it gets better with age. Roasted garlic vinaigrette is a great way to control your ingredients, and you can customize it any way you want for as little or as much garlic flavor as you like. It's a simple, light-tasting dressing that will make any salad burst with flavor. For the printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.